federal workers, as we were saying, who aren't going to get a paycheck till the next pay cycle, or we don't even know when, really, at the end of the day. But I don't know if you're aware, it's even affecting national parks. I mean, no workers are there to man them. It's kind of becoming a free-for-all, we understand.
Yeah, CNN's Kaylee Hartung has been following those stories for us. She is here with us now. And we're hearing from people through social media talking about the hardships and what that means for everyone.
Yeah, you're right. It's not just federal workers. This is not a problem that is in a bubble in Washington. This is a problem for people coast to coast. And when you talk about those national parks, no workers means free access to the parks, but that comes with a different kind of cost. It means people are rushing to get in and leaving the park dirty. There's uncollected trash and filthy toilets, especially at Joshua Tree National Park. Some volunteers are trying to help, cleaning out trash and restocking bathrooms with toilet paper. The LA Times spoke to one volunteer who says he has supplied 500 rolls of toilet paper since he started restocking last Saturday, that first day of the shutdown. He estimates he's spent about 60 hours doing his part to try to keep that park clean and a safe place for visitors to still continue to come. These are some of the busiest days for places like that.
Right, around the holidays when people are off, they want to take their kids. And those are probably some of the hardest days, too, around the holidays for people who are dealing with the uncertainty of what's coming ahead. And they're so candid on Twitter and on social media talking about their struggles.
Yeah, these heart-wrenching stories have been pouring in from across the country. We are hearing how the shutdown is affecting federal workers who are parents, single parents, some of them, and military members who are depending on every paycheck to keep their families going. Here's what some of them are saying. They're using the hashtag shutdown stories. Abra, she says, "My husband is an Army veteran and suffers from PTSD. Because of this, he can't work, he barely leaves the house, and each day is a struggle. I'm worried that because of this shutdown, he'll not receive his VA pay on the 1st, which pays our mortgage." And Katie, she tweets, "My husband is active duty Coast Guard. Everyone thinks the military is getting paid during the shutdown, but the Coast Guard is facing no pay on the 1st due to being DHS and not DOD. We live in New York City, pay over $2,000 a month in rent, have a toddler, and one on the way." There is that candid sense you're getting from people, the real honesty of challenges that they're facing that they didn't anticipate, and now have no income and are forced to make really difficult decisions.
That's so stressful. That's so stressful. Kaylee, thank you. Kaylee Hartung bringing us those stories. Now, the bigger